Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the beautiful KANTO Lampo Waterfall is north of Bali in Gianyar area. So if you want to know how the beautiful KANTO Lampo Waterfall, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the beautiful KANTO Lampo Waterfall is north of Bali in Gianyar. Okay, this location is almost the same with Tibumana Waterfall, and I already updated Tibumana Waterfall in the last video in this channel, so you can find the video down this video. Okay, now I will explore how to reach the waterfall. Start from parking area. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like to go to the KANTO Lampo Waterfall. The step is very nice. It's very easy to walk down until to the waterfall from parking area. You see this area? Looks so green, isn't it? And looks so beautiful. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know how the beautiful KANTO Lampo Waterfall in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. If you want to go to the KANTO Lampo, I recommended you to bring extra clothes because in waterfall you will be wet to make good photo down there, because you have to jump into the river and then going up under the waterfall. Okay, just follow until the end of this video because I want to show you how the beautiful KANTO Lampo Waterfall. Okay guys, if you want to visiting KANTO Lampo Waterfall, you have to pay the ticket. So this is the ticket counter. So for the price for the ticket, one pax is 20,000. Yeah, this my customer pay 40,000 for 2 pack, because today actually I'm driving for my customer from Netherlands. This is the list price for the ticket to go to KANTO Lampo Waterfall. Okay, now we will going down to the waterfall after we buy the ticket. See down there with the umbrella? Yeah, there is Premier Temple. And this area is looks so green, so beautiful. You see right side? Yeah, it is just small waterfall, just beside KANTO Lampo Waterfall. But it is also looks so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's see KANTO Lampo Waterfall from the top first. Yeah, you see the front? It is KANTO Lampo Waterfall, and so many people down there. They like waiting in the queue to make photo exactly down the waterfall. Okay, now we continue walking until to the waterfall. Actually, there is not so many steps to go to Kanto Lampo Waterfall because it's easy to walk down. But only the problem, you have to be strong to cross the river and then climbing up to the rock to make a good photo down there. To make good photo and video footage, actually I have to walk down until to the river to make photo down there and video footage. But today, as I told you, I bring customer, so I cannot jump to the water because I'm on working now. I mean, like, I bring my customer. You see, so beautiful and so great, isn't it? Kanto Lampo Waterfall location is around 19-minute driving from Kuta area. Yeah, as I told you, to make good photo and video footage, you have to bring extra dresses, or you can bring swimming suit because we'll be 100% wet down there. You see, run? Looks so green and so beautiful, isn't it? Actually, in the left side at the corner, there is another people make photo and video footage. But as I told you, I cannot crossing today to the river. But you can see from here, they are so fun and look so happy. Okay guys, so this is Kanto Lampo Waterfall. So what do you think? It is so beautiful. Yeah, now I will cross another river because I will explore other side of this area. I will put a boat right there. Okay guys, now I will back way because I will more explore this area, because in this area also have like swimming pool, and we will see how the beautiful other side of this waterfall, because the river also so beautiful, and also in this area look very green. You see left side at the corner? Yeah, this is the swimming pool. Yeah, now we reach swimming pool. Okay guys, so this is our explore today in Kanto Lampo Waterfall. So what do you think? Yeah, completely in this area is so beautiful, so you must visit one day when you are come to Bali. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.